to answer all of your driving questions. Let's go.
Should I message you when I pass my test?
So that is quite dependent if it's the theory test or the practical test, but even still, don't worry, we contact you first. All you have to do is tick a box if you've passed or if you've failed, and then we'll be informed of that, and then we'll get in contact to discuss next steps.
Passing my theory, how long until I can start my lessons?
So, we always like to get your practical test date booked in first. That's so that then when we look for an instructor for your course, the lessons will start in the lead up to that practical test date. Your instructor will be available for it as well. So don't worry about your lessons just yet. We like to focus on the end date here at PassMeFast.
How much does a course cost?
So that depends on where you live. That depends on your postcode, also depends on transmission, and also how long your course is. We recommend going to our website, putting your postcode in, and looking at costs from there.
Which areas do you cover?
So we cover most of England, Scotland and Wales, and if you're unsure if we do cover your area, just head over to our website, put your postcode in, and that'll do the rest.
What happens if I need more hours?
So if you need more hours, just let us know, get in touch with our support team, and then we can discuss with your instructor if they can fit those extra hours in for your test date. Always have this chat with your instructor too as well, see what they say, and then we can look to increase your course as well. However, we do recommend to book on with the correct amount of hours that you need. If you are unsure when booking your course, just go to our website and go to our course recommender, and then you can see from there.
What happens if I fail my test?
So if you fail your test, do not worry. First test nerves do happen, and it can happen to the best of us as well. But we offer a service called Pass Protect. You can enter Pass Protect at checkout if you're a new student with us. It offers 2 free tests for the price of 1. If you're already an existing student and you haven't started your lessons yet, you can give our office a call on 0333 123 4949, discuss it in a bit more detail, and then add that to your course as well if you are a bit nervous. But don't worry, just do your best on your test, and that's all you can really do.
Can I pay in monthly installments?
You can. We're partnered with a payment provider called Pay Later, where you can spread the cost of your driving course over 12 months, subject to credit check.
Thanks for all your questions.
Have a great day.
Bye.